channel, and today I'll be creating this smoky eye look. If you wanna see how I created this look, keep on watching.
First, set your base using setting compact powder. Here I'm using the 7 Heaven compact all over my eyelid. And to make things 10 times easier and which will help me not look like a panda, I'll be using a sticky tape. Remember to set the tape at an angle at the end of your eye by leaving a little space near your waterline. Step 3. Using the black Kajal pencil as a base to make the color intense, you can use whichever Kajal you want. I'll be taking it only halfway on my eyelid and moving it inward. One common mistake is that we go too high in the inner corners. Step 4. I'll be using a brown eyeshadow pencil as a transition shade and blending it in your crease area just above the black color. This is a smoky eye hack. Now blend both the colors together so that there is no harsh lines. Now add grey shadow on the areas where you've applied the kajal and blend everything into place. Do the same for your lower lash line as well. Using Lakme Absolute Liner, I'll be applying a basic wing liner. This step is totally optional. You can skip this if you want. Remove the tape and you're good to go.
I hope you like creating this look as much as I did, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, click on the subscribe button below, comment and share it with your friends. Until then, keep smiling.